Hello friends, welcome again at iamchandan.com and my name is Chandan and yesterday we have discussed about strings in Java and how they work. Today we will discuss about toString. What is it, how to use it and what is the use of this thing. So the complete things we will discuss it today. So it was the yesterday tutorial. Let me rough it. So what are the toStrings? So if you want to represent any string as an string, then toString method come into the existence. The toString method returns the string representation of the object. If you print any object, Java compiler internally invoke the toString method on the object. So overriding the toString method return the desired output. It can be a state of an object or etc. Depends on your implementation. It will be much more clear by an example. Let me take a very easy example. So it is our yesterday tutorial. Let me make a new class and I will give it name as student and we need main method, so we will take it here. And now yep, we are ready. Now let me do one thing. Yep, first of all I will make a variable which will be integer and I will say it as a roll number. Means it will not take any space, so make it as capital roll number. Another thing, let me take the string and it will capture the name. It is a variable. Now string city, and then I will create the constructor, and as we know that constructor will take the same name of the class name. If you have not seen my previous tutorial of constructor, please go through it, you will get clear about constructor. And int roll number, and then string name comma string city. And if you also have not seen that my tutorial on this keyword, then please have a look on it, you will get much more clear about it. Means we are saying that our this roll number is equal to main roll number. Means we are here saying that whatever the value will be sent to this constructor will be assigned to this one. Means whenever we will print this one, it will take the value what will be sent here. Now do it for all the things. This dot I have taken the roll number. Let me give the name is equal to name. Also this dot city, where is city? I think it is here, is equal to city. Now let me create an object. As we know, as we create the object, our constructor will be called. So to create the object, you have to write your class name, then student, give it any name. I will give it as name s1 is equal to new student and pass the value whatever you want to pass. I will give my roll number, which is 101 comma double quote for string. I will give the name, which is my name Chandan. Then I will give the city, which is Noida. Then if I will print that string, look what will happen. Let me write it out. Out control space s1. Now see the result. What will happen? It should print our string, but let's see. If I will run it out, it will give me some address. It belongs to the some address, not to that exact value. If I will go through it, it is something like class name at the rate, then one my roll number and some address. It looks like address. Means when we have called it, it is saying to compiler that compiler writes here s1 dot toString. Now the by second example you will get much more clear how the toString will work. Now let me override the toString method. So let me give another example. By this example you will get confused a little bit. Let me create a class. I will give it name as employer emp2, and then we need the main method. I will write it here and then I will make it here. Here is your program, and then delete one. This is not required. Let me create some variables for employee, which is public string name. Let me make it capital name, let it as it is name. Then sorry, string as always will be capital, make it remember. Then let me take a public integer, public int is equal to age, and let me take another example, another variable, public string city. Now let me make one constructor of this class. It will be public emp2, and it will accept three variables which are string name. As we know that we are too much lazy, so we will copy it and paste it here, and then comma int age, and then again comma, and we will take copy it is also string, and now it here, and again we will use the this keyword, this dot name. This is our name here is equal to name. Also this dot age is equal to age. Please guys, if you have not seen my this tutorial, then please watch it so that you can clearly understand this example. Sorry, hit city. Now I will create another method, which means we will override toString method. So we will write it here as public string, and I will write it as toString, and the body will have it return name plus give some space plus age plus space city. I need these all things to return in return. Whether I have given some, oh sorry, here is plus is missing. Now it's clear. Now let's run our program and see what will happen. So to access the constructor, first of all we have to create the object. We will create it like as, I will give it name ob. Ob means object, you can give any name, new emp2, and I will create I will pass the value to my constructor. You can give anything. I will give my name Chandan, comma my real age, which is 26, and then my city, which is Noida, and again copy it here and paste it and change the object name. We have created two objects and we will print these all things, and let's change some value so that give it my nickname, which is Amit, as will be same, and make it as 10, and location as give it village. Now print these all things and see what will happen. This out and print my first object, then copy it and paste my second object. Run this one. Java application. We want only one, so see, now it have printed the complete value. In my previous example it was printing the address instead of something else. If I will run it out, you can see the output. It will print the address, not the value. You can see it here, but here it will print the exact value. So by this reason we use toString method. What is actually happening, I will elaborate a little bit more here. Means when we have created the toString method, here it has overridden the toString method. Means we can say overriding the toString method. Okay friends, so it's all about toString, and tomorrow we will cover the next topic of Java. Thanks for watching, and you can also get detail from my website, which is iamchandan.com. Search it here, toString in Java. You will get the appropriate result. Thanks for watching, and